Now we're going to determine if an ordered pair is a solution for an equation, or to an equation. One of the things that happens is that because we have two variables, these have an infinite number of solutions. So when you look, you just want to know, hey, is this pair a solution? Now, don't forget that the first is an x and the second is a y as far as positionally. Now, if you want to determine if this is a solution, you have to substitute, and I'm going to put quotes around it, solve. Now, by solve, means what I'm really saying is you have to evaluate it and see, hey, does it make sense? All right, so we've got 3, 6 here. So I'm going to put in the 3 for the x and the 6 for the y because they're in the x and y position. So 6 equals 3 times 3 minus 3. Well, order of operations, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. Hey, does 6 equal 6? Does that make sense? And the answer is yes. So in this case, yes, 3, 6 is a solution. Let's look at the second one. Is 5, 6 a solution for y equals x plus 3? Now we're going to substitute in again. The y is 6, so I'm going to put that 6 in the y position. The x is 5, so I'm going to put 5 plus 3. 6 equals 8. Does 6 equal 8? No, that's crazy talk. 6 never equals 8. So is this a solution? The answer here is no. Now, it doesn't take hard to look at it. It's not hard to look at and say, hey, what do the values need to change to? If you want to say what would make it a solution, well, if we left the 5 the same, instead of being a 6 here, 5, 8 is a solution. 5, 8 would be a yes. Because when you put it in, you end up putting an 8 there. Now somebody else might say, Mr. Trapp, I left the 6 the same. Okay, well if you have a 6 here, what does the x value have to be if you have a 6? Well, the x value would have to be a 3. That's also a yes. So there are an infinite number of solutions for these. Right now we're just trying to determine, hey, is this pair a solution? Sometimes it's yes, sometimes it's no. Let's take a look at this one right here. 8, 2 for y equals 3x plus 4. Again, we're going to put it in. 2 equals 3 times 8 plus 4. Now, pretty quick, a lot of people realize, hey, that's not going to work. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 4 is 28. That's a great big no. It's not a solution. And for the last one, you have negative 6 going in for the y equals negative 4 minus 2. Now be careful. If you need to, make the 2 marks. Negative 4 plus negative 2, that is negative 6. Negative 6 equals negative 6. That's a yes. So watch your arithmetic when you're doing these. Good luck.